In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Salesforce Authenticator QR code. Even though you might expect a QR code, Salesforce Authenticator often uses a two-word phrase to pair your account. I'll walk you through the exact path inside Salesforce to get to the connection screen and finish the setup smoothly. Start by signing in to Salesforce and landing on the home page. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen and click your account avatar. From that menu, open Settings. This takes you to your personal settings area where you manage things like your profile, security, and connected apps. In the left-hand panel, find and open Advanced User Details. This is where Salesforce keeps your personal security connections. On this page, look for App Registration, Salesforce Authenticator. If you see a little information icon next to it, click that to review details, then select Connect. Don't worry if the wording varies slightly, you're looking for the option that begins the Authenticator connection flow. Before Salesforce lets you connect the app, it needs to verify your identity. Click Verify Your Identity when prompted. You'll be asked to confirm using a code that's sent to your email. Keep your Salesforce window open and switch to your email inbox. Look for a message about verifying your identity in Salesforce. Open it, find the 6-digit verification code, and copy it. If you don't see the message right away, give it a moment, then check your spam or promotions folders just in case, and make sure you're looking at the inbox for the email address associated with your Salesforce login. Go back to the Salesforce verification screen and paste the 6-digit code into the field provided. Submit it to confirm. After verification succeeds, you'll be returned to the Authenticator connection page. Click Connect Salesforce Authenticator to move to the pairing instructions. On this screen, Salesforce usually shows a brief video and written guidance. Feel free to watch the video if you'd like a quick visual of the process. When you're ready, follow the prompt to install Salesforce Authenticator on your mobile device from the App Store or Google Play. Download and install the official Salesforce Authenticator app from Salesforce, not a third-party app with a similar name. Open Salesforce Authenticator on your phone and add your account. If this is your first time opening the app, it will guide you to add an account right away. If you've used it before, tap the plus icon to add a new one. The app will display a unique two-word phrase. Keep your phone handy and your Salesforce window open. You'll need both. Back on the Salesforce connection page in your browser, you'll see a field asking for the two-word phrase from the app. Carefully type the phrase exactly as shown in Salesforce Authenticator. Spacing and spelling need to match. When you've entered the words, click Connect. Give it a few seconds to complete. When the pairing is successful, Salesforce and the Authenticator app are linked to your user, and you'll be ready to approve future logins right from your phone. From now on, when you sign into Salesforce, you'll receive a prompt in Salesforce Authenticator to approve the login, or you may be asked to enter a verification code from the app, depending on your organization's security settings. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Keep the Salesforce browser tab open while you retrieve the email code, so your session doesn't time out. If the verification email doesn't arrive, double-check the email address on your Salesforce profile and request the code again. On your phone, allow notifications for Salesforce Authenticator so you can quickly approve sign-ins. And if you manage multiple Salesforce orgs, consider labeling them in the app so you always know which prompt belongs to which environment. That's it. You navigated to your personal settings, verified your identity by email, installed Salesforce Authenticator, and connected it using the two-word phrase the app provides. You're all set for secure, streamlined logins going forward.